Hi, I'm Danny from Paslode, and I'm here to tell you about our Paslode IM45 GN lithium coil nailer. At only 2.8 kilograms, this is a very lightweight tool with great ergonomics and offers best in class for comfort, performance and reliability. A very versatile coil nailer. Now I'll show you how to load the tool, starting with the top hat fuel cell from Paslode. Open. Pull back your arm, locate the top fuel cell, to your area, locate the arm, cover back on. When you receive the nails in the box, remove the tape. We're loading Paslode 0 degree coil nails. Open the coil magazine. You'll notice there's a recessed area here, there's plastic white collation to follow into. There's a little metal lever arm there, a small one, that locates into the hole of this plastic collation that helps pull the collation through the tool as you're firing. So carefully put the plastic collation within the recess and the first hole through the collation, lock it over the little arm. Once you feel it in place, close the cover, close the tool. Lastly, battery is the last thing in and the first thing out. Your tool is now live and ready to fire. The IM45 GN coil nailer can be used for many applications, such as metal roofing installation by installing the cleat clips, lead roofing, packaging, flooring, fencing. It has also been approved in the UK by James Hardie for their Hardie plank composite board and their Hardie VL composite board. Other types of wooden cladding this tool is also fantastic for. When you engage the battery into the tool, the green flashing LED will appear to let you know that the tool is live. The light will also flash red when the battery needs recharging. The tool has a simple and easy to use depth adjuster. Simply wind and unwind to get your nails to the correct depth. Also, you have a soft no mark tip on the probe. The IM45 coil nailer fires 0 degree coiled nails from 25mm up to 45mm. It also fires nail screws that can be removed in finishes from electro-galved up to stainless steel. In the coil there's 125 nails, which makes it really productive. Right, now just firing. The material I'm using is a Hardie plank composite cladding board using a 35mm stainless steel nail. So let's remove the components from the tool. Starting off with your battery and the cord nails. When you've been firing, the plastic collation comes through the front end of the tool. You can simply tear that and dispose of that. Then press your lever, open up the coil drum, grab hold of the coil and simply pull back through the tool. And lastly, removing the fuel cell from the tool. I've been Danny from Paslode, and this is our Paslode IM45 GN lithium coil nailer.